Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run an HTML file in VS Code Live Server. I already installed VS Code in my PC. Here you can see you have to install it. And after that, you have to open a folder here. You have to come to this Explorer section and open folder here. And let's say in the downloads, I want to create a new folder. And I want to say test. And the folder actually I want to add here. So I already added the folder. Now I'm going to go for the extension section here, and then I'm going to search here live server extension. Here you can see 78.6 million. So I'm going to go with this one, and then I'm going to click here install. We have successfully installed it. Here you can see. Now I'm going to go for the file explorer here. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to create here a new file. Okay, and the file name will be, let's say, index. Okay, index.html, and I want to run this. So I'm going to write down here code. Let's say HTML. I'll say here exclamation HTML. I'll say here, let's say this is, or I'll say test live server. If I save it, now let's say I want to go here live server. So here you can see, here we have go live option. You can see, okay, I'll click here. Here you can see starting, and we are live. Now let me show you. If I go here side by side, here you can see if I change here anything, then I don't have to actually reload this. It will automatically change. Let's say test live server twice. If I save it, then it will change here automatically. Live reload not possible without head or body tag. Okay, so we have to actually give here head or body tag. So I'm going to actually say here HTML. Okay, and here I'm going to go for the body tag, and I'm going to say here this is a test. Okay, I'm going to now refresh here. Now if I change here anything, then it will automatically refresh here. Okay, I'll say test the live server. Now if I save it, then here you can see I don't have to actually reload here. It changed, right? Test the live server. I hope you understand. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.